In this tutorial, we'll be looking at the input slider for numeric values for SharePoint Online. This template is located at SharePoint-dashboards.com. This control lets you increment a numeric field by just hovering over the bar and clicking on it, and that will set the value which displays on the left. Alternatively, you can click on the number and it will open up an inline edit, which we'll look at in SharePoint in just a second. As with all the templates, be sure to check out the different theme options just to show you different possibilities. Of course, you can and should set up your own color choices. You can control the filled color as well as the empty background and the color of the slider. So I've got the option set how I want. Please note that you have to put in the name of the field which you're going to apply this to. In my case, I have a number field called value. You do need to use a number field. Note that you can use decimal values, negative values, or integers. You have many options. By default, the minimum value is going to be set to 0. You can set that from a range of -100 to 100. That's the starting value on the left side of the bar. And then below that, you can decide on the number of steps. In this case, I have it set to 100. That's the maximum number of increments. You can alternatively have a smaller number of increments. You can also control the bar height just to control the appearance. And then by default, the step size is going to be 1, but you can have it step in smaller increments. It can go all the way down to hundredths, or it could go all the way up to the hundredths place in terms of how much it increments per section. I'm going to go ahead and go with these options. Once you're ready, go ahead and click the copy button, and then you can go over to SharePoint. Here's my number column called value. You can call your column whatever you like, just be sure that you enter that over in the template screen. As with all the templates, go to the column header, column settings, format this column, go to advanced mode, copy, and paste. Okay, if you notice when I hover over the bar, I have a little dial that I'm able to move, and when I want to set a value, I just click, and that will update the value. Now in the case of a very fine level of setting, as in this case where it's 100 different increments, it may be somewhat difficult to find the specific number that you want. In that case, you additionally have the option to click on the number. So if I click on that, I can enter the number, hit enter, and that's an alternative way to set the value. There are many different options in terms of the appearance and also how many options in terms of the number of steps. So be sure to try different options, and this is a great way to allow your users to adjust numeric values directly from the list view. Good luck.